While the world was distracted by Elon Musk's rockets and futuristic promises, a former chemistry professor in China was quietly executing a plan to dismantle Tesla's dominance. And it worked. In 2024, BYD officially outsold Tesla in EV sales. But this wasn't luck or just government subsidies. It was a masterclass in vertical integration that would make Apple jealous. If you want to scale a business, you need to understand how they cornered the market. BYD didn't start with cars. They started with batteries for Motorola and Nokia in the 90s. But the founder, Wang Chuanfu, knew that being a mere supplier was a dead end. His key decision. Instead of just providing the parts, they decided to own the final product. Unlike Tesla, which relies on a massive web of external suppliers, BYD makes almost everything. From the microchips to the seats, and most importantly, the battery. This gives them a cost advantage that traditional automakers simply cannot match. The risk was time. They invested billions in EVs when oil was cheap and the tech was unproven. Their core strategy: master the supply chain before you master the customer. If you control the cost of the most expensive part, the battery, you control the entire market's price point. Their execution is now aggressive. They aren't just selling cars, they are buying the ports and building the ships to transport them. They realize the game isn't about status anymore, it's about accessibility and scale on a global level. The lesson for us? First, infrastructure over marketing. Second, if your competitive edge depends on someone else's parts, you're at risk. What part of your business could you internalize today to protect your margins tomorrow? Does Tesla have any move left to reclaim the throne, or did Elon Musk's focus on too many companies leave the door wide open for China? Drop your technical analysis in the comments below.